how will I find the trends? You need a tool that can tell you just purely looking at the data by saying that, okay, this is likely to be the trend of the market, right? And I start with that. So when I look at this tool, I mean, I'm purely talking from a end user experience, right? When I look at this tool, okay, is this tool going to give me any indicators on what I can trade for the day, right? All of us, I mean, see, if I understand, most of us are compulsive traders. Do we have to take a trade every day? Probably the answer is no. And सबको पता है कि हमको नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन सुबह सुबह और 9:15 में ना एक ट्रेड प्लेस नहीं किया तो we all feel stressed out, so, and we don't know what trade to take, right? So I look for, if I use this tool, I look for all the data options that comes out. You start getting signals from 9:26 in the morning, you get index indicators. And of course, I trade on the index and I only do options buying. Jaisa Harsimran Bhai ne bola tha कि this tool was designed for option selling, but if somebody is making money in option buying, why not, right? Two things I'll tell you. First thing, I do the contra of what your action signal says. Right? If your action signal says option selling karo 14,950, right? Now I go and buy 14,950 put, right? Now again, सबको पता है इस ग्रुप में कि option buying the chances of success are very less. मतलब 20% है. We have all gone through various videos and all that. 20%, 30%. So तीन चीज है मेरे पास. When I do option buying, I always run out of time, because of the decay that we have in the premiums, right? Two, I need to be spot on when I take a trade, right? And three, I should not be greedy, right? I think Harsimran Bhai and Lavnish have said it in multiple discussions that I have a target that I want to achieve for the day. And if I can make consistent money over an entire month, I'm happy to walk out with this, right? So, before I get into a trade, I have my own rules when we get into the game, right? It's not like I want to make 60,000, 1 lakh, or again, it depends on each one's capital, allocation that we would like to trade against, but purely, which means that I'm already under a lot of restrictions before I take a trade. मैं option buying कर रहा हूँ, मेरे को इतना ही पैसा चाहिए. And my time towards doing a trade is very less, right? So these are my three restrictions, because I don't want to lose money at the end of the day. With all this in mind, I was looking for a tool, right? I was looking for a tool which can give me trend indicators. Trend indicators, if you look at it, we can plot charts basically, because I come from the IT segment, I understand that data is raw data, and what you show on charts is information, right? Now, there are n number of details that can give you the information that you are looking for, but can I make a decision out of it? Honestly, I don't know. So from that perspective, when I got introduced to this tool, I look for actionable signals, right? So if you can just click on that, right? I'll just show you the one that I would take, purely from an option buying perspective. Just click on that, yeah, right? Okay, self-generated signals. All of these are option selling trades that you would get, right? And you also have that, yeah, right. You kind of look at what is the trend, what is the range, and all that, and then I look at the blue line indicator. For me, blue line indicator is my Bible, right? And I don't do the call sell, but I do the put buy, right? So basically, whatever Lavnish and we're talking about, the light blue indicator and the dark blue indicator, right? I just go the opposite way. I use this tool completely to do the opposite trend. As long as it does not break my trend, and I give myself a slightly deeper stop loss, because because with trends, right, with 5 minutes you will be able to check for it, right? So what I do is I take the one on the second leg, which is my put signals. And the moment I meet my target, I stop trading, right? वो discipline अभी तक नहीं आया. Friday भी, I was talking to Lovnish about the same thing. Okay, you know how to make money, but I don't know when to stop. Everybody who is there in this call definitely knows how to make money, right? But we always become slightly over greedy there. I hope I'm not offending anybody, but
no,
in the process,
and this
I
particular
can give you
greed
any
thing
number
takes
of
away
data
all our
points
profit.
and charts and data or tools. But if we do not have that self-discipline on how much I want to make money in the markets and when I want to exit out, right? We will never win. That way, for me, even though this is just the contrary of what RC Bhai said, whether it was option buying or whether even though the tool was made for this, I have a target. I look for the signals and I exit out when I make money, right? Just in the context of what we are talking, since the time I have subscribed, I've made close to about 45 to 50K only using this tool. Right? And if I can get that, I'm happy and I walk out of it. Right? What do I do? Just to summarize, and I won't take more time. I know everybody is running pinch time on a Sunday afternoon. What do? I only do option buying. What are my data points? I look at the actionable signals. I take the contrary trade. And the second thing, I look at the blue line indicator and I have my stop losses defined. I'm content with what I get with my profits. With this, if it can be consistent over a period of time, I make money. Thanks, bye. That's all I have to say.
Very nice. I'll just sum up
Thank
in
you.
5
Thank you,
minutes,
Shankar
whatever, in just 1 minute, whatever he said. Lavnish, can you show the actionable signals? Number one, whenever we get for example, we are getting a call selling signal. What he is doing is he is doing the opposite.
Hello, somebody there, or am I talking on mute?
Yeah, you're there.
Yeah, you're audible. We can hear you.
Yeah, Shankar, you want to add something?
No. I said, I couldn't hear anybody saying anything, but
okay.
Or what, I do the contrary of what you have.
See, if we are getting a call selling signal, that means the application is expecting the market to be negative to flat.
Correct.
When do we make money in call selling? If there is some decay due to a flat market, or if the market goes down, then we get profit due to the theta thing. Delta and the theta gives us the profit. So if we are getting call selling signal, that means application is expecting the market to either go down or either to remain flat. So what Shankar does is he takes the same strike and buys a put, and he opens a blue line indicator and puts the chart in front of him. Now blue line indicator, what does is it gives him a stop loss. So it defines the risk. Now he has a target of 10K, for example, in mind. Whenever this position will give me 10,000 rupees, I'll exit out. Is it right?
Absolutely right.
This particular strike price, Shankar Bhai has bought in last trading session. He traded this particular put long.
So in last session, what we discussed, I'll just explain. How do we use blue line indicator as a option buying tool? For number one criteria to buy an option through blue line is it should trade above the dark blue line.
Above the dark blue line, correct.
If the price breaks the dark blue line, you can take the entry. Now, what is the stop loss over here? Once it breaks the dark blue line, the light blue line becomes your stop loss. Now, as Shankar Bhai said, he keeps some he keeps some buffer.
Some buffer, yeah, slightly below that, because I know what my threshold is. Just I can have that appetite to lose that money, right? And where you're lost, right? Because ultimately, irrespective of what we have, we all are. The market is the boss.
So we have gone low. We keep for example, the previous low. If Lavnish can point on the previous low, not this one, after it break the blue line. After it break the blue line, iska jo previous low tha na, light blue line ke niche, that can be our stop loss. We'll get some 5 points buffer also, and we'll be keeping a logical stop loss. कि अगर ये previous low break किया तो I'll exit out.
You know, I remember इसका तो मैंने 520 लगाया था.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
I had
वो
put
भी-
myself at 520, saying that was my stop loss. And you know, while the light blue line indicator was saying 543, right? I thought I take that 20 point difference to be able to. That's my risk appetite that I have built in. Right?
Nice.
No.
हाँ,
So
that can depend on person to person. And
Correct,
Blue Line
correct,
is telling you
exactly.
540, तो 540 में भी चल जाता काम. But 520 to be on a safer side, you put it up.
correct. No, because I bought it at a very low price, right? मैंने 480 or something को लगाया था. So I still wanted to be in my profit.
अच्छा, you bought it before it broke the blue line, mainly
Correct.
जब morning में signal आया था.
Correct, exactly.
अच्छा.
Right.
And when it broke the blue line, it must have added to the confidence. Ki, okay, now the trade is now profitable. Plus,
Exactly.
one very important point, Lavnish, can you highlight the moment it broke the blue line? No, there was a very sharp dip in open interest. If everybody can follow it, the orange line that is in the background is the open interest line. If the open interest is going up, that means the option sellers are selling it. If the open interest is going down, that means the option sellers are running. They're covering their shorts. तो जैसे ये ब्लू लाइन को ब्रेक
ये
किया,
मोमेंट पे ही डिप आया. करेक्ट.
हाँ, जैसे ही वो ब्लू लाइन ब्रेक किया, सी दिस ब्लू लाइन इंडिकेटर इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग इंडिकेटर, वेरी लीडिंग इंडिकेटर, और ये आपको कहीं और नहीं मिलेगा. मतलब दिस हैज बीन डिजाइंड, a very long thought process has gone into this, and we can't tell you how this is working, but yes, we can assure you that this will work like magic. You notice it, you try it in your live market, and this will work like magic. जैसे इसमें क्या हुआ, जैसे इसने डार्क ब्लू लाइन ब्रेक किया, ऑप्शन सेलर स्टार्टेड एग्जिटिंग. उसके बाद से कंटिन्यूसली ओपन इंटरेस्ट में डीपी आया है, एंड प्राइस वेंट अप एंड अप एंड अप. See, open interest is dipping, price is going up, prices above blue line is very added confirmations to your trade. You can always trail your trade after this. So blue line is giving us three things.
No,
One is your
that's
stop
exactly
loss.
the point, right?
Yeah.
You know, Harsi bhai, no,
Yeah, only thing is not it is giving is your target. Now, what can be your target? See, if I'm talking with a trader's point of view, what the most big traders do. See, if your stop loss is like 100 points, for example, what should be a target? Your target should be minimum 200 points.
Yeah.
Keeping 1:2.
I was
So if you are
3x
getting
or
200
4x.
points, yeah, if you are getting
3x.
200 points, you can take an exit, or you can book 50% of your profit.
Correct.
And then keep trailing, book another 25% at another 100 points. You can always keep trailing, and you can always keep booking profits.
Yeah, I mean, Harsi bhai, that I learned from you, right? You know, if you take 4 lots in a bank nifty and you're trading, you know, 50
Yeah,
points.
bank nifty, it is very important to book partial profits at your target.
Correct.
Because you never know, bank nifty can break any support, bank nifty can break any resistance.
करेक्ट.
वो तो hero zero call हो जाता
हाँ. You never know कि 10 रुपए वाला, मतलब 50 रुपए वाला ऑप्शन
हेलो.
500 भी जा सकता है. लेकिन अगर आपका 50 रुपए वाला 100 रुपए चला गया, तो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट यू बुक आउट सम पार्शियल प्रॉफिट्स. उसके बाद बाकी का फ्री का माल छोड़ दो ना, लीव इट टू द मार्केट. वो जीरो होगा तब भी आपको कोई टेंशन नहीं, यार कैपिटल इज सेफ.
Exactly. I mean,
और वो 500 चला गया तो आप हीरो तो हो ही.
Thanks for, you know, just adding to what I said, right? You know, right. And you know it, because, you know, I keep talking to you about what we do, but you're right, you know, and that way, you know, option buying purely for me has worked using this tool. My blue line indicator is my Bible here, and you know, I'll just follow it to know when to take the trade and what to do there.
Nice.
And you guys are all around for support. You know, my Lavnish bhai साथ भी, you know, I was actually talking, you know, saying that this is exactly what I was looking for. Probably living my dream.